TheJbeans.net.
We're back with more tips for the Carnival Legend, and we hope these 10 additional tips will help you enjoy your next cruise aboard the Legend even more. Just a quick note that if you enjoy this video, please give us a thumbs up or leave a comment. It really helps our channel, and consider subscribing so you get alerted when we add new videos. Our first tip is to arrive early to the Follies main lounge theater and the Firebird Lounge to avoid sitting behind an obstruction. Both venues have several large pillars that can block your view of the main stage if you're sitting in the wrong spot. Speaking of the Follies main lounge theater, our next tip is to make sure you head to the correct decks of the Legend for the type of seating you want. The Deck 2 level of the theater features couch-like seating with small, unmovable tables spaced out along each row. The Deck 3 and Deck 4 levels feature high-back cushioned chairs with armrests like what you would find in a movie theater. Our third tip is to attend the Aboard Fun Ashore presentation if you're interested in learning more about the activities planned for your cruise, or if you love freebies. During our cruise, the hosts gave away steakhouse dinners, bingo cards, shore excursions, and more. Check the daily schedules to find the day and time of the presentation. Our next tip is to check the Legends Cafe if you would like a printed copy of the daily schedule of activities. Activities are also listed in the Carnival Hub app. Speaking of the Legends Cafe, our fifth tip is to head next door to the Red Frog Pub to check for their happy hour drink specials. During our cruise, beer and Caribbean cocktails were half off on 2 separate days. Our next tip is to be aware that self-service laundry facilities are available on most stateroom decks of the Legend. While most of the facilities had 2 washers and 4 dryers available, the laundromat on Deck 4 only had 1 washer and 2 dryers. And Deck 8 did not have a laundry facility at all. Each of the laundry rooms included an iron, ironing board, and sink. During our cruise, the cost to use a washer or dryer was $3.50 each. Soap and fabric softener were available to purchase for $2 each. And everything was paid for using a Sail and Sign card. Our 7th tip is to check the dinner menu displayed near the entrance to the Truffles Restaurant main dining room if you would like to see what's being served for dinner before you're seated. Additionally, future dinner menus are available on the Carnival Hub app, which is helpful if you're trying to plan nights to dine at other venues. Our next tip is to find the afternoon tea on days at sea to enjoy the best complimentary desserts on the Legend. The afternoon tea probably won't be listed in the What's Happening section of the Carnival Hub app, so be sure to look for it under the food section. In addition to the complimentary tea and desserts, additional flavors of tea were available for purchase. Our next tip is to bring some magnetic hooks with you to have additional options for hanging items around your stateroom. We found our magnetic hooks to be useful for hanging towels, hats, paper daily schedules, decorations, and more. Finally, our last tip is to use a few kid-friendly 4-letter words to help you find your stateroom. Many people remember that port and left have 4 letters, and port is the left side of the ship when facing forward. Additionally, even has 4 letters, and the even number staterooms are on the port side or left side of the Legend.